How much should you actually spend on a digital tape measure? People are quick to buy the cheap ones, but they often end up returning the higher price models. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Lexivin 2-in-1 Digital Tape Measure. First up is the Lexivin 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. Priced at $59.97, this tool caught my eye with its innovative design, combining a 130-foot laser distance measure with a 16-feet auto-lock tape measure. If you want versatility in your measurements, this is worth a serious look. This product really shines when it comes to convenience. The single-button operation means you can quickly switch from laser to tape measurements without fussing with multiple tools. The large LCD screen displays measurements in fractions, making it easy to read, especially if you're working on detailed projects. The accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch is rock solid for most DIY tasks. Plus, with over 3,600 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Now, some users have mentioned that the laser can be a bit tricky to see outdoors, especially in bright sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it indoors or in shaded areas, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The added functionality and durability make it a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or professional looking for an all-in-one measuring tool. Skip this one if you only need a simple, traditional tape measure. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the Lexivin's outdoor visibility issue concerns you, the next option might fit your needs better. Product number 2. Bosch GLM 100-23 Laser Distance Measure. Next up is the Bosch GLM 100-23, a compact laser distance measure priced at $49.98. It's labeled a bestseller for good reason. If you're after accuracy in a portable design, this one deserves your attention. This laser measure delivers accurate readings up to 100 feet with a precision of plus or minus 1/16 inch. That means whether you're measuring a room or a piece of furniture, you can trust the results. The user-friendly layout with a 2-button operation makes it simple to use, even for those not so familiar with tech. And the backlit display? Super handy for dimly lit areas. With over 2,600 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it clearly has a lot of satisfied users. However, some people found the lack of advanced features, like area calculations, a bit limiting. But honestly, if you just need straightforward measurements without the extra bells and whistles, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect if you're a homeowner or a handyman who needs a reliable tool for quick measurements. Skip this one if you want more advanced functionalities. It's a great value for its price point. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility and functionality. Product number 3. Inkerma 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. The Inkerma 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure is next, priced at just $23.43. This budget-friendly option is surprisingly feature-rich. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable measurement tool, this is worth considering. This device offers high precision with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch. It combines a 135-foot laser measurement with a 16-foot tape measure, giving you flexibility depending on your task. The self-locking feature on the tape measure makes it easy to use with one hand, which is a real plus when you're working solo. Plus, with a backlit LCD, you can always read your measurements clearly, even in low light. The product has garnered a strong 4.4-star rating based on over 800 reviews, which speaks to its reliability. However, some users reported that the build quality feels a bit cheaper than higher-end models. Here's the thing. If you're using it for general home projects and not heavy-duty tasks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for the price. This is perfect for casual DIYers or those just starting out. Skip this one if you need a tool for professional, daily use. For the money, it's an excellent value. Now, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, the next product is definitely worth your time. Product number 4. Eleclif 197-foot Laser Tape Measure. Next, we have the Eleclif 197-foot Laser Tape Measure, priced at $49.49. This tool really caught my attention with its dual functionality. If you need versatility and accuracy, This one is worth a serious look. This laser tape measure combines a 197-foot laser distance meter with a 16-foot digital tape measure, which means you can tackle both long and short measurements with ease. The precision of plus or minus 1/16 inch is impressive, and it even includes automatic area and volume calculations, making it ideal for projects where materials need to be ordered. The USB-C rechargeable battery is another fantastic feature, supporting up to 5,000 measurements on a single charge. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 500 reviews, it's clear this tool is making waves. One drawback mentioned by users is its weight. Some found it a bit bulkier than expected. But honestly, if you're working on larger projects where stability and functionality matter more than portability, this is a minor issue. This is perfect for contractors or serious DIYers who need reliable measurements throughout the day. Skip this if you only need a lightweight tool for simple measuring tasks. The value you get for the price is impressive. Now, if you want top-of-the-line features, the last product might just blow you away. Product number 5, Fantic A10 Pro Digital Laser Tape Measure. Finally, we have the Fantic A10 Pro Digital Laser Tape Measure, priced at $59.98. This model really stands out with its advanced features. If you want a high-tech tool, this one should definitely be on your radar. This versatile device combines a 165-foot laser distance meter with a 9.8-foot tape measure, making it ideal for various tasks, from home renovations to precise woodworking. The HD IPS color display provides crystal-clear measurements, which is especially useful outdoors. Plus, it supports multiple measuring modes and units, catering to your specific needs. With a robust 4.4-star rating and over 440 reviews, it's a hit among users who appreciate its technology. However, some users found the price on the higher side compared to simpler models. Here's the thing. If you're someone who frequently handles complex measurements, the advanced features justify the cost and can save you time and effort in the long run. This is perfect for professionals who need precision and clarity. Skip this if you just need a basic measuring tool. For the features you get, the investment is worthwhile. So there you have it. We covered the Lexivin, Bosch, Inkerma, Eleclif, and Fantic. Each offers something unique, whether it's versatility, affordability, or advanced features. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a tape measure that fits the bill.